Hey everybody, I am Jacqueline Rambo, founder of Living Life Insurance Group. My mission is to teach individuals and their families how to use life insurance products to plan their financial future. So today in Life Insurance Nugget series, I would like to share something with you. You should own and be the insurer of your own life insurance policy. What does that mean? You should be the owner of your life insurance policy as well as the insurer of your life insurance policy. Now, if you are married, I see no reason for you to cross ownership with your spouse. Your spouse should have their own life insurance policy and you should have your own life insurance policy. Now, you should be primary beneficiaries on each other's life insurance policies. So just say John is married to Susan. John is owner of his life insurance policy. Susan is owner of her life insurance policy. They are both, let's say, $100,000 a piece, right? Something happens to John. He is deceased. And now his primary beneficiary, which is his wife, Susan, will get the $100,000 because she was the primary beneficiary on his policy. Now, let me tell you something. If you are a married couple and say John and Susan is the owner of John's life insurance policy and John is the owner of Susan's life insurance policy. John becomes deceased, right? Since Susan cannot be the owner and primary beneficiary, right? John's policy will get caught up in probate court, which means Susan will not get the proceeds of his life insurance policy because she was the owner of the life insurance policy. I hope that makes sense. So you should not let anyone be the owner of your life insurance policy, even if you are married. You should be the owner and insurer of your own life insurance policy. If you are married, make your spouse the primary beneficiary. So if anything was to happen to you, that insurance policy will pay out to your spouse and not end up in probate court. I'm kind of dealing with that right now with a client. Her husband, I don't know who wrote their policy. It doesn't matter. Her husband was the owner of her life insurance policy. Her life insurance policy, he was the owner of hers. She was the owner of his. And they were not each other's primary beneficiaries because you can't be the owner and primary beneficiary. You can only be one. So now her husband's life insurance policy, which was for $1 million, is locked up in probate court. And once probate court gets it, it takes a long time for it to come out of probate court. And then it's not going to be $1 million if you get it. Because probate court is going to take out fees for them in their proceedings and all that. Because you got to get a lawyer. And it's just a whole bunch of red tape. So if you are married, be the owner and insurer of your own life insurance policy and have your spouse as the primary beneficiary. So if something happens to you, your spouse will be able to get the proceeds of your life insurance policy. Now, if you are single, you still need to be the owner and insurer of your life insurance policy. But now this is going to be a little trickier for a single person because you're going to have somebody that you trust that will do right by your inheritance, which is the life insurance policy that you leave behind. So it could be a sibling, mother, father, cousin, someone else to be the primary beneficiary. And if you remember in the last video that I did about minor children being the beneficiary, you shouldn't do that either. You should have a guardianship paperwork that has been filed with the court. So do not put a minor as the primary beneficiary or any beneficiary. Okay, so go back and look at that video where I explain about the guardian and minor beneficiaries. But if you are married, husband and wife, or whatever, if you are married, you should be the owner and insurer of your own policy, and put your spouse as the primary beneficiary. So if something happens to you, your spouse will be able to get your life insurance policy. I am Jacqueline Rambo, founder of Living Life Insurance Group. My mission is to teach individuals and their families how to use life insurance products to plan for their financial future. If you need a free consultation with me, please give me a call at 346-813-9515. 346-813-9515, and I'll be glad to assist you. I will see you next time in the next Life Insurance Nugget series. Bye, guys.